Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create a 3D card twist animation in Adobe After Effects. Let's go. First, import your card's AI file as a composition, retain layer sizes. Now make both card layers 3D. Next, add a null layer and make it 3D as well. Then parent both card layers to the null layer. Let's check the back side of the card. But first, increase the size of the composition for better visibility. If the backside isn't visible, adjust its Z position to flip and separate it from the front side. Now, on the null layer, add a rotation keyframe on the Y-axis to create the twist. Let's rename the comp to keep things organized. Now, create a new composition and drop the animated card comp inside it. Next, add a new solid layer, name it Map, and apply the gradient ramp effect. Hide this layer, we'll use it just for displacement. Now apply the time displacement effect to your card layer. Tweak the values to make the twist more wavy and organic. Apply Easy Ease to the rotation keyframe for smoother animation, and adjust the graph editor curve to your liking. Notice the edges? If they look harsh, increase the time resolution to smooth them out. Refine the curves again in the graph editor for better motion. Now, let's add a few more keyframes to give the animation more life and motion. And there you go, your 3D card twist animation is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to NextGen Edit and hit that like, share, and comment button.